Now suppose let us calculate. I have a problem like to find the number of permutation of four dissimilar things taken three at a time. Please
Okay.
understand this. Four dissimilar things taken three at a time. Now,
Yeah.
can you tell me what is N and what is R?
And is the four dissimilar things, and the three and R is three,
Yes,
which is three taken at a time.
yes, yes. So, N as 4 and R as 3. So, this is four dissimilar. So, N P R. That is 4 P 3. Can you tell me what is 4 P 3?
4 factorial divided by 4 minus 3 factorial.
So, what is it?
Wait a second.
No.
24.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. This will be on like if I have uh, to find the number of four little letter words that can be formed using the letter of the word chemistry. Okay, so let us put that the word chemistry. Okay, now can you tell me how many letters are there here?
Uh, 9.
Nine.
Yeah.
Yeah, nine. And what was my question? You have to find the number of four letters words. So,
Words.
yeah. So this is N is 9 and R will be 4.
4.
So it is 9 P.
4.
So can you tell me?
9 factorial divided by 9 minus 4 factorial.
Yes. So this is
Wait a second, sir.
yeah.
300.
Yes. 300, 3000, 3024.
Uh,
Please check 3024.
yeah, sorry. Actually, I multiplied 450 into 6 instead of 504 into 6.
Yeah, yeah. It is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. So it is
Yeah,
30.
302.
Yeah. This was easy. Now let me uh, put another part of this, okay, under this, okay. Now my question is, each word begins with each word. Now this begins with letter T. Now,
Hmm.
now if four letter word is to begin with T, then next three letters in the word can be chosen from the remaining. So you'll have 9 minus 1. You'll have 9 minus 1, which is 8.
Sir, I didn't get this. So can you please repeat the question?
Yeah. Okay.
8,
R. N is 8. R will be 4 minus,
7.
yeah, 4 minus 1.
Okay. Yeah, I got it now.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So can you find now NPR?
Yeah. Uh,
8p3.
8 factorial divided by 2 factorial.
Yeah. So what is it?
Wait a second, sir. 20,160.
No, this is 8 into 7 into
7
6.
into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3.
Yeah, that gets cancelled, no? So you'll get only 336. Please check.
Sir, why you have only multiplied 8 into 7 into 6?
See, here we
Oh,
have,
I got it. I got it
yeah,
right
okay,
now.
okay.
I made a mistake.
Yeah, yeah. You have to cancel that, no? Also in the denominator,
Yeah.
which is 5 factorial, right?
Yeah, 5 will be cancelled out. So 8 into 7 into 6.
Yeah. Now, further, let us see another such condition. Okay,
Yeah.
keeping that in mind. Okay, again 4 and 9. Okay, now each word. Now, please understand this. Each word. Now, this ends. Each word ends with the letter Y.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
Now, can
Uh,
you tell me what happens with this?
so same as above.
Same as above. Yes, good. So it is that is uh, n will be 9 minus 1, which is 8, and r will be uh, 4 minus 1, which is 3. So you get
3.
8p3, which is 8 into 7 into 6, which is 3.
Okay.
So one which we have done with which begins with T and one that ends with Y. Okay.
Okay.
You should understand these concepts so that further whatever problems comes, you should be able to answer. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the main problem with me is that I understand.
So let us take another
Can we
one.
solve some questions from the pages which I have given?
So each
And
uh, begins with T and
this will be N will be 7
yeah, good.
and R will be 2.
Yes, N will be 7 and R will be
2.
2. 7p,
The answer will be 42.
so 7 minutes. Okay, what is it? 42. Yeah,
42.
yeah. So n will be 5 minus 2, which is 3.
Plus 4.
So 3 boys and 4 girls. So 3 plus 4, which is 7.
7.
Now this will have 7 factorial. This will have 7 factorial. The number of ways is doing is 7 factorial. And therefore, the total number of arrangement is, hello? Yeah? Are you able to hear me?